It is week 43 of planning. And before we get into planning next week, we have an empty calendar or planner, I should say. Thank you so much for your comments and checking in with me in the new or the launch video that I did for the 2026 planners for Laurel Denise. That is so fun to have a community of women who stop in and leave comments and hearing what you purchased, what you plan on doing with your planners. It's really fun. I am excited to dive into using the new Kristy. Yes, I've committed to it. I agree with you guys. I am a January to December calendar gal. So I am going to break out the beautiful golden Kristy for 2026 for January and use that one. I mean, it's so pretty. And now that I have had 6 months or will have had 6 months in this this Kristy, I feel ready to embark on a full year in the new Kristy. I can't wait. I'm actually excited about it, and hopefully I have learned a lot of things in how I've used this in order to use that one. The one thing I don't know what I'm going to do, and I'm going to take some time to think about it, is I like using minimal stickers, but do I want to buy stickers every single month, or can I cannibalize what I already have, because I do have a bunch of stickers left over from the year. Will I have enough? I do like these small ones up here because they delineate the week and they give me some color, and I do like using the little ones down here. And then, so I don't know, it sounds like I'm gonna be buying more stickers, but I don't know. I also looked in the Facebook group at the chart of the different stickers for each planner. There's a few that do work with the small rows, which is the project 4 column one. So I don't know what I'm gonna do there. I may not use any stickers for that. I also don't know if I need any inserts. And I did see and hear, or I don't know where, I think I heard in the video that Laurel did on YouTube that they are gonna be coming out in November with inserts for the small rows. So there is that also to be considered. Do I need inserts? Do I not need inserts? And I'd like to make those decisions in advance of January so I can plan out, maybe in December, do some planning ahead. So if you're using the rows mini, or the small rows, excuse me, let me know. Are you gonna get inserts? Do you plan on using stickers? What are you gonna be doing for your rows if you've got the rows? And as far as the Kristy, I do like the advice you all said. Many of you suggested just put this one away and start with the other one. And so I'm gonna definitely, I know I'm gonna do that, because that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna just stick with January to December moving forward. So this has been a very good year for me, learning how to use the different planners, find out what works for me, and then move forward. But today, we've got to plan week 43 together, and I did get my December stickers. Yay! So we can do the December monthly together as well. How cool is that? So I'll have November month done and December month done. And that way I can plug things in, because I definitely have not even plugged that much. I have what do you call it? I have Post-its in my November, but I haven't really laid anything down yet. So I want to start doing that so I can share that with you. And then definitely it'll be nice to have December done so we can get in here too. Yeah, so I'm going to turn this around. Let's do week 43 together. As always, if you're new here, you can fast forward to the next chapter and meet me there if you don't want to watch the laying down of stickers and how I do it. It's been pretty much the same every week now for the last, well, I'll probably say 2 months, because I've kind of gotten into my groove and I kind of like what I'm doing. I have done a few little tweaks, but on the whole, it's pretty similar week to week, except for obviously what happens week to week. But that's the structure has been pretty much the same every week. So let's do it, and I'll see you and chat with you when I'm done. Before we get started on planning week 43, I just want to show you, I have not done anything in my big calendar. So maybe having this calendar here and not next to the planning pages means I'm not really in here. So that'll be really interesting with the rows because they're next to each other, and I'll be able to see the whole month and we'll fill it in with what I need. But for right now, this just is very minimal, not a lot of stuff going on here. Really what's happening is in my day-to-day. So here we go. So this is this week. This is week 42. I did add some other little stickers in here. I got excited about adding some new things. These are Happy Planner stickers, so if you need those, I'll link that below. I did this one. I did this one over here. Hold on, I don't know if you can see that. I did this one, and then I have my habit tracker over here. I need to fill it in. I actually didn't come in and do all the things because I have been very good, actually. I've been better this week than normal. So yeah, these little things are really a nice addition. I added another extra line here to give me more room here. I've got the weather, and then I have the meal planning here. And I really like just using the erasable highlighters that look like this. These are really nice. I like these. I have a bunch of these. So I sort of highlight things that I've done during the day. And then we have our nice week right here to get started. And then all of my stickers that I'm using currently are back here in this sleeve. So let's pull these out and get doing this week together. So we have one more week left in October, because then this is going to be Halloween, and I have some ideas for next week for Halloween. And then this was the November spread that you saw a while ago. So I'm also going to fill in this as well. I may take some time tomorrow. This is Saturday when I'm filming this, so maybe tomorrow I'll sit down with my coffee and really fill in everything and utilize the monthly more consistently than I have in the past. So let's get started. I thought I would do a quick opening of my new planner Kate December stickers with you instead of doing the overhead. I'm so excited. She comes out with so many pretty stickers each season. I wish I could buy them in advance, but I always want to see her new patterns, because what if I like that better than what she already has? And I did. So for this one, ooh, I'm so excited. I got, and again, it comes with the additional, like, she throws in a bunch of free ones, which are in here, but I just want to show you what I got. Oh, they're so pretty. So let's get to the pattern. It's really great. Look, it's December. Isn't it pretty? It's got the holly and then the plaid. I am a sucker for plaid. I love plaid and green and reds. Isn't it so pretty? And then I have this for the weekly. I love this page because it's got the Hello December and the long one and all the different things, which I need to be better at using them all. This time I did get a different washi one. So I got the thicker ones and then the thin ones, as well as this one that I always get. So this is a new one. And not only did I get this, but I went back and got, I'm just looking at it now, the one for December. So I could use this one as well for, November, I'm sorry. So I got this as well for November. So these are really fun. And then I got, because it's Christmas, I thought I would get the doodles that have all the like little fun sayings on them, like wrapping, Santa, all those types of things, plus the doodles, because I love the doodles. But I don't use all of them. I just like having them. So it's a problem. It's a problem. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the Kristy for 2026, because I kind of like seeing what's new, like I just said, but I would love to go ahead and plan the whole year, but I don't think I can plan the whole year because I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's get into planning at least, or not planning, let me set up and put the stickers in for December so I can start planning my December monthly calendar. So I'm gonna turn around and we'll do that now. I'm going to quickly look back here at November because I did this for the weekend. I did the washi here for the weekend. So I want to do the same thing. And then I did the Hello November at the last day of October. I want to just double check what I did here. I liked how this laid out. So I'm going to do the same thing for December with these. So where are they? That is the new November. Okay, this. Ooh, I like this one. Do I want to use this? So this is the weekly. And the doodles. Okay, so this is what we need right here, and that's my order. So let's put this in first, and then we'll get into the rest. So where's the weekend one? Did I not get that one? Oh, maybe I did get the one that says weekend. I don't see it here. I don't see it here, so maybe I didn't get that one. I must not have gotten that sticker. Well, I can always get it later. So let's put these in and we will get started. I'm all set for December. It looks really good. I don't know where that weekend sticker, where this comes from, this one. I have to go look. I think I'll have to just buy this one and a few other things because I do like that big weekend there, but it's not necessary. I don't really need it. I don't need a whole another thing of stickers. I'll have to look and see because maybe it doesn't come anymore in one of these sheets. I don't know. Anyway, I did put the Hello December over here because the first is a Monday. So I put that there and then I added to this next month sticker right here. So I think I may go back and add that for November. And then there must be another one that says this month because this month sticker is not here. So I'm gonna have to just do, oh, it's on this one. It's on this one. So you know what, I'm gonna add that now before I forget to the top. And then this one will be done. I'm so excited. So let's add this right here at the top. And I kind of like that. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, so now it's all done except for adding in all the kind of like little things like these stickers and appointments and things that I have for December. And then I'm going to also go back and do November because I have placeholders in there that I need to actually write in the calendar. So that is everything for week 43 setup and the December monthly. I'm really excited. I'm so excited to get organized. And then that will be everything that I do in this journal or this Kristy for 2025, right? So maybe I'll use the last part of the year as journaling or notes, or maybe I'll use that as a place to jot down to-do lists and things for the week so that I can then be prepared for what I'm gonna actually put in the rows, and maybe I'll play around and do things to set up for the new Kristy and the new Rose. I don't know, we're gonna have fun and play with it. So thank you so much for being with me today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have not seen or purchased your 2026 Laurel Denise planners. Let me know. I will link, I'm an affiliate, I will link my code below and the link for you. I would love it if you would use it, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And yeah, let me know what you got, if you haven't already, what you're gonna do with them. Like, are you gonna get stickers? Are you gonna go old school with a pen? Are you gonna decorate, not decorate, and all the things? So thank you so much for being with me today for week 43, and I will see you next week for week 44, which is gonna be so much fun because it's Halloween week, and I have stickers that I want to put in for Halloween that I've been holding on to. So I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll see you then.